This is Cool Trains of Montreal, and I got a CN train here at the Des Sources ramps on April Fool's Day. About 4:30 p.m. on the 1st of April 2023. EXO train just went by. That was heading eastbound, and this is headed westbound. With an SD 70M-2 on the head end, and more than likely there will be a DPU. There's the bridge. Interesting load. Brand new hoppers. It's spring here in Montreal. Snow is rapidly disappearing, and this is a happy time. We're above zero. Nice skies. Was kind of cloudy this morning, but I'm very happy to see that it cleared up. And biking will be happening soon. More interesting loads here. There's a DPU. Looks like an ES44. Yeah, last time I was here was with Elton. Got a good CP train here. This is actually the closest point to where my house is to the train tracks. So it's the easiest way for me to come up here on the 209 bus and get some trains without going too far. Looks like all tankers here. Oh yes, and very happy to report that the model exposition will be happening again June 3rd and 4th. I'm not sure where that's going to be, but that is every year, and now it's in Dorval, I believe, probably at the arena like last year. I'll check, but that's coming up. Unfortunately, the Vermont Essex, it looks like they're going to wait till September to have their open house. So I think I'll be posting this on Monday. And that's the end of the train here on Avril Poisson, here in Montreal, April 1st, 2023. If you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains of Montreal. Have a good day.